Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today with my client, we are going to be retouching up her balayage ombre. Really quick, I just want to say if you are new to my channel, welcome, and also too, if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell, and also to follow me here on Instagram. I will link it right here and down below. So starting off, I am going to be giving my client a trim. Now usually with all my clients, I always like to do dry cuts before their color. We aren't taking too much length off, so a dry cut would honestly just be good, especially too if you're just trying to get rid of some dry dead ends. This video was requested by some people, so I wanted to go ahead and do it today because I had the client for it. Also too, I feel like a lot of my clients, majority of them, at least about a good 80% of my clients, all have very long, thick hair. So if anybody is ever interested in trying to see on how you work with long and thick hair, I feel like this video might help, especially on how to retouch a balayage. Now for sectioning, I'm going to be taking some vertical sections right behind the ears, and I also did a triangle on the top, and at the bottom, I'm going to be taking horizontal subsections. For bleach, I am using my Schwarzkopf Blonde Me with a 30 volume developer, and I am also using my favorite foils by Fermar. Starting off in the back, I am going to be taking horizontal subsections. Now with this, I'm going to be baby lighting, and with my client, she does not want to go any lighter than the color that she has right now. We are just doing a retouch. So when it comes down to the lightened parts at the ends, I am just going to kind of sweep down a little bit and just cover the dark hair that she has. Obviously, that's the new growth. And whatever is left out at the bottom, I am going to be taking out of the foil and wrapping it up. So the reason why I am doing baby lights is because, for one, my client likes to wear her hair straight some days, and then she likes to wear it curled some days. So what happens is when she wears it straight, she doesn't like to see any harsh lines. So baby lights always works best for her. And what happens when you do baby lights is it makes it really nice and like kind of natural and seamless blend. So I highly recommend it for if anybody ever gets those very harsh lines. Always try maybe doing baby lights on your clients. So right here, I'm going to be taking some diagonal sections, and I just want to say this, a lot of the times some people ask for how come my subsection different some days and sometimes I don't on certain clients. The reason why is because every client's hair grows different, and I always like to just go in the pattern the way that their hair grows because it makes it look a lot more natural. So starting at the front of the hairline, I'm going to be taking diagonal subsections because this is the way that her hair is growing natural. It kind of grows going towards the front, and I'm just going to continue with the baby lights all the way up to the top. So I finished foiling her, and it took me about a good hour to foil, and I'm just going to let her sit for about a good 35 to 45 minutes. So she does have virgin hair, that new growth, so we always want to keep an eye out, and we're honestly just trying to get her to about a level 8-9. So for toner, I am using Redken Shades EQ, and I'm toning her in the bowl. And I use an 8N and a 7V for some of that cooler tone because she did lift really warm. So that violet is going to cancel out that yellow. And I'm going to be leaving her for 6 minutes. So I want to go ahead and show you guys how it looks when it's straight. As you guys could see, the baby lights make it such a beautiful blend. So she can wear her hair straight, and then on some days she could wear it curly. So this is the finished look. As you guys could see, those baby lights just make it look like such a beautiful blend. And with that 8N and that 7V, it obviously cooled out a lot of the warmth that she had, especially a lot of yellow, but then that natural, the 8N, just covered it so nicely. But this is how the back looks, and this is from the front. Now, the last time that we did her hair, she did have a money piece going on, but we kind of kept it because it looks super nice. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.